Hello students, I hope you are doing well. This is your social study teacher. This video is based on Class 4 Social Studies, second term syllabus, part 1. This is the first part of lesson number 17, People of Eastern Coastal Region. As we begin this lesson, let us first understand the meaning of coastal region. Coastal region or area are commonly defined as the interface areas between land and sea. Or we can also say the stretches of land touching the seas of India are called as coastal plains. Coastal plains are divided into two parts. First part, Eastern Coastal Plain. Second part, Western Coastal Plain. In the map, clearly we could see the dark blue color, which highlights the coastal plains. The coastal plains near the Bay of Bengal are called Eastern Coastal Plains. The coastal plains near the Arabian Sea are called Western Coastal Plains. So now you have understood both the parts, Eastern Coastal Plains and Western Coastal Plains. The Eastern Coastal Plains include the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kanyakumari and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I repeat the names of the state which we will find in this map. The first Eastern Coastal Plains include West Bengal. Where is West Bengal? Let us see. Here is West Bengal. Second is Odisha. Which is Odisha? Here in the orange color is Odisha. West Bengal, Odisha done. Now Andhra Pradesh. Where is Andhra Pradesh? Here. Light blue color is Andhra Pradesh. Tamil Nadu. Which one is Tamil Nadu? Down here is Tamil Nadu. Then Puducherry. Puducherry here, a small part. Puducherry. Kanyakumari. Where is Kanyakumari? Here we will see Kanyakumari here. Down. Here. Kanyakumari. Then Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Where is Andaman and Nicobar Islands? This is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So these are the states which we will find in the Eastern Coastal Region. I hope you have understood very clearly. No problem, no doubts. Let us see now what are the things we are going to learn in this lesson. In this first part or part 1 video, we shall discuss mainly on the 3 Eastern Coastal Plains or state. They are West Bengal, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Let us first learn about the state of West Bengal. West Bengal is the northernmost part of the Eastern Coastal Plain. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers make the land in the state very fertile. So now you have understood why the land of West Bengal is being so fertile. All because of the two rivers, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Kolkata is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. The main crops of West Bengal are rice and jute. Jute plant help us to make rope, bags and so on. Now we will learn about the state Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Cuttack is an important city and center of business and industry. The famous Sun Temple at Konark is a popular tourist spot. Odissi is the popular classical dance of the state. Men wear dhoti kurta while women wear sari and blouse. Oriya is the language spoken here. Chilka Lake is famous for its bird sanctuary, which is a major tourist spot. Odisha is rich in minerals like coal, iron, and manganese. Rourkela steel plant is located in Odisha. Puri attracts many devotees and tourists alike to witness the Jagannath Rath Yatra. The main crops of Odisha are rice and jute. As we have learned earlier, the main crops of West Bengal are rice and jute. Here also in Odisha, the main crops are rice and jute. So now we can remember very easily. People of Odisha are engaged in fishing, farming and mining. Let us learn more about the state of Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam is the coastal region, has a large port. In Andhra Pradesh, shipbuilding is undertaken in shipyard. Therefore, we have come to the end of our part 1 video of Social Studies, lesson number 17, People of Eastern Coastal Region. On our next video, part 2, we shall continue our discussion on other eastern coastal states. Till then, study well and thank you for watching.